Good morning, dear children. Today we will start the physics experiment in lab, and we will give the demo of first experiment of physics. Okay. And first of all, we want to give the some information regarding physics practical session 2020-21. In this session, you will perform minimum 10 experiment. From each section will be 5 experiments and 6 activity. And in this session there is a no project work, and the marking scheme for your board examinations, the 8 marks from each practicals. So you will get the 16 marks. 16 marks from experiment. You will perform 2 experiments in examinations, and 7 marks is of records, practical copy and activity file, and 7 marks is viva. In this session there is no project work. This is the change in this session by board. And now we will start from experiment 1. The experiment 1, now we will discuss the object or aim of this experiment. We will to determine the resistivity of 2 wires by plotting a graph for volt potential difference V versus current. We will provide 2 wires, 2 resistance wires, and we will determine the resistivity of that 2 given wires by plotting the graph versus voltage and current. And in this experiment we need the following apparatus: an ammeter, a voltmeter, and rheostat, which is also called variable resistor, a cell or battery, one-way key, meter scale, इसको gauge for using measuring the radius of the wire, and resistance wire and connecting wires. So these materials are required to conduct this experiment, to perform this experiment. And the circuit diagram of this experiment we are given. This is the resistance wire we connected across the voltmeter in parallel, because voltage in parallel will be same. The voltmeter connected across this resistance wire in parallel, and the positive terminal of voltmeter connected to negative terminal of ammeter, and positive terminal of the ammeter connected to the positive terminal of battery, and negative terminal of the battery through key and rheostat connected to the negative terminal of voltmeter. And this voltmeter connected in parallel. This voltmeter connected in parallel, and ammeter connected in series. Ammeter used to measure the current, and voltmeter used to measure the potential difference across this wire. And here we are using the rheostat as a potential divider. We change the voltage across this resistor wire by the help of rheostat. When voltage will change, the current will also change. So we will note the reading voltage versus current. Voltmeter gives the voltage reading and ammeter gives the current reading. And in this experiment we will use the following formula. According to Ohm's law, the voltage V is equal to current into resistance. V is equal to IR, and resistance of the wire is equal to the ratio of voltage and current, V upon I. And the formula of resistivity, and it is also known as specific resistance. Rho is equal to RA upon L, where A is the area of cross section of the wire, L is the length of the given resistance wire, and R is the resistance, which we can measure by the help of experiment. And area is also write down pi r square upon L. So this formula, resistivity formula, rho is equal to pi r square upon L. R is the resistance of the wire, and small r is the radius of cross section of the wire, and L is the length of the resistance wire. This one is the wire. R is the radius. Small r is the radius of that wire, and length L is the length of this wire, and capital R is the resistance of this wire. And the unit of resistivity is ohm centimeter. And we will do the following observations. The range of voltmeter used in this apparatus experiment is 3 volt, and range of ammeter is 3 ampere, and least count of voltmeter is 0.05 volt, and least count of ammeter is 0.05 ampere. And we will take the observations voltage versus current. Voltage versus current. Voltage versus current. Now we will explain that experiment through circuit diagram and also practically. This one is the rheostat. This is the rheostat and it is also called variable resistor. And this is the one-way key and this is the cell. We are using two cell. It is also called battery. And this one is the emitter. The range of this emitter is 0 to 3 volt. We can measure maximum current by this emitter is 3 ampere and least count of this emitter is 0.05 ampere. And we are using the voltmeter and the range of this voltmeter is 0 to 3 volt. Maximum voltage can be measured by this voltmeter is 3 volt. And the least count means minimum measurement taken by this voltmeter is 0.05 volt. And this is the resistance wire, which one we can measure the resistivity of this wire. And the length of this wire measuring with this instrument is 50 centimeter. We are measuring the length of this wire is 50 centimeter. And the radius of this wire is also can be determined by screw gauge. Do you know very well? You also use the screw gauge in 11th class. Screw gauge you have already used in 11th class. How we can find the radius? How we can find the radius of this wire? Okay, first of all we will check the least count. The least count of the screw gauge is 0.001 centimeter and we take the main scale reading plus circular scale reading into least count. And this one is the diameter and half of the diameter will become, when we half the diameter will become, find out the radius. And the radius of this wire is given 0.021 centimeter. So L is the length of this wire which are using in this experiment is 50 centimeter and radius of this wire is 0.021 centimeter. Okay, now we will take the readings voltage versus current. We connect the circuit diagram and connect the key. And the circuit key is closed, the circuit is open. When key is closed, the circuit is open. And we will take the reading versus voltage versus current. When voltage is 0, the current is also 0. And when we change the voltage across this resistance wire by the help of rheostat slightly, and the voltage will become 0.2 volt. When voltage will become 0.2 volt, the current will become 0.2 amperes. How we can take the readings from this voltmeter and ammeter? We will count the number of divisions in this scale and multiply 0.05. And in this also ammeter case, when we count the division and multiply 0.05. So when the 4 division multiply 0.05, the voltage will become 0.2 volt. And the current division is 0.4 division and multiply 0.05, the current is also 0.2 ampere. So when the voltage apply across this wire 0.2 volt, the current is also get 0.2 ampere. And when we change the by the help of rheostat, the voltage will become 0.4 volt, the current is also 0.4 ampere. And the resistance voltage across this wire is 0.6 volt and the current is also 0.6 ampere. When we take the ratio, resistance is equal to voltage upon current V upon I, so the resistance will become 1. So resistance of this wire, given wire is 1 ohm. The resistance of this wire is 1 ohm. When we take the reading voltage versus current, the resistance will not change because we are not changing the length, we are not changing the area. Do you know very well, according to Ohm's law, when the physical state, we have physical condition of a conductor like temperature, pressure does not change. The voltage across the current flowing in the conductor is directly proportional to potential difference across the both end. V proportional to I and V is equal to IR. So resistance will become constant. The main precaution in this apparatus, when you take the reading, just only close the key, otherwise open the key, because when current flowing in this wire continuously, that wire will become hot and temperature will change. The physical condition does not remain same and the resistance will become vary. So in that case, the resistance will become vary. So when you will take the reading across voltage versus current, you will just only close the key, otherwise open the key. And we are taking the readings voltage versus current and the resistance of this wire find out is 1 ohm. And when we plot the graph versus voltage versus current, because voltage and current both are proportional to each other, the graph will become straight line. The graph will become straight line. And when we find out the value of resistance of the given wire by the help of this graph, when we find out the slope of this graph ABC, we will take this value is V and this value is I, and the slope will become tan theta. So slope of the VI graph is equal to tan theta. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base V upon I. It gives the value of resistance. By the table we also find out the value of resistance is 1 ohm, and by the help of graph the value of resistance is also find out is 1 ohm. हमने ग्राफ की हेल्प से फाइंड आउट किया तब भी रेसिस्टेंस का वैल्यू 1 ओम आया, टेबल की हेल्प से देखा तब भी रेसिस्टेंस का वैल्यू 1 ओम है. And the resistance value of this wire is given 1 ohm, and the length of this wire using in this experiment is 50 centimeter, and radius of this wire is 0.021 centimeter. We can put the value of in this formula rho is equal to r pi r square upon L. R is 1 ohm, the value of pi 3.14, and radius of this wire 0.021 centimeter, and length is 50 centimeter. We can calculate the value, and the unit of the resistivity is on centimeter. So first we will use that wire, and again we will open this wire from voltmeter and use the second wire and third wire. We can also use the different alloy wires to measure the resistivity. First wire we can also use nichrome, second Constantan, Eureka. You can measure the resistivity of different material wires or different alloy wires by this apparatus. Again and again using the same pattern, same methods to measure the resistivity. First of all we will measure the length, and second is radius by the help of screw gauge, and then we will take the reading versus voltage, voltage versus current, and draw the graph and take the slope, and that slope gives the value of resistance, and the value of all parameters put in this formula we will get the वैल्यू ऑफ रेसिस्टिविटी. तो हमने आज आपको एक वायर का रेसिस्टिविटी कैलकुलेट करना सिखाया, एंड वी कैन आल्सो यूज द सेकंड वायर इन प्लेस ऑफ फर्स्ट वायर, एंड द सेम पैटर्न विल बी फॉलो.